I just love it. It's my woohoo!
It's like a parachute for people in trouble. It's not going to stop you from hitting the ground, but it'll maybe soften the blow.
It's a great example of us living our values.
Legacy donor?
Really, I have no idea.
I am? Oh my gosh!
That's gonna make me cry. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh my gosh! 20 years celebration. Ooh! Amazing!
I feel proud that I was part of it. I will never take it off.
It's pretty good.
Individually, they may not feel that their contributions are significant in value, but we have the ability to move mountains and really have an impact on our associates' lives.
20 years of support.
20 years of family.
20 years of friendship.
20 years of growth.
20 years of taking care of our people.
I'm Brian, and I'm proud to be a Legacy Homer Fund donor.
I am Kathy, and I'm proud to be one of the first donors in 1999.
Hi, I'm Doug, and I'm proud to be a Homer Fund Legacy donor.